Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you for asking. And yeah, may I know about you as we are meeting for the first time?
Okay, thank you for asking about myself. My name is Popun. I am from the southern part of Odisha, which is near to the border of Andhra Pradesh. If I spoke about my qualification, I did my graduation BSc in Physics honors. Apart from that, I do run a YouTube channel about my spoken English journey. This is all about me, ma'am.
Okay, so when did you started your YouTube journey?
Yeah, I have started my YouTube journey since 1 year before, but initially I uploaded videos related to cricket because I'm crazy for cricket. And after before 1 month, I thought I am not giving values to my audience. That's why I'm starting to upload videos related to spoken English just 1 month before.
Okay, that's great. So how, how are you learning this language? Like apart from this speaking part, are you doing anything else?
Yeah, I am doing so many things like recording myself in front of camera,
Mm-hmm.
speaking in front of mirror, and yeah, talking with people and listening so many videos on YouTube from fluent speakers and native speakers because I think diversification of our listening is very important. When we listen more and more things, it helps us to make sentence properly. We get lots of vocabulary and we can also feel real life conversations. So it boosts our confidence also whenever we speak. Yeah,
Yes,
so this
that's
is
right.
also yeah. Yeah, this is all about the things I am doing to enhance my spoken English.
Okay, that's good. So may I know about your city, like where you are living? So is there any famous things there? Because I don't know really about this Odisha as
Oh,
you told. Right?
yes. First of all, Odisha is a religious place. People are like to come here for visiting temples. Like I think you might hear about Jagannath Puri temple.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, lots of people come here to watch the temple,
Mm-hmm.
and Odisha is famous for the temples. And our chief minister, do you hear Navin Patnaik? Okay, he is
So,
the
Chief Minister of your place.
yeah, he is the number one chief minister of India. He get the award.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is all about Odisha is famous for and its culture also, culture and dance.
Okay, so have you ever visited any other places apart from Odisha?
Yeah, I visited lots of places from south like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana also. I visited lots of places in south, but not in Odisha as well.
Okay. Have you ever visited north part like MP or UP?
No, I've not visited, but I will visit in future like Uttarakhand to go Kedarnath
Mm-hmm.
and visit Delhi, UP, Mathura, something like that places.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah,
Do you love traveling?
yeah, I love to travel, but in train, not in bus because I have so many problems in bus. I am not feeling comfortable while traveling bus.
Yes, most of the people are not comfortable in bus. I have observed.
Yeah,
Okay. So, what's your hobbies and what's your future plan?
yeah. My hobbies are like I am crazy for cricket. I'm playing cricket and listening songs. Apart from that, nowadays I am quite curious to watch conversation videos.
Mm-hmm.
And about my future plan is I want to be a high school teacher. This is
Okay.
all about my and as I mentioned before, I do run a YouTube channel. I want to be a successful YouTuber in future.
Yeah, as we are teaching English and we are focusing on English, so it is helpful for us as well. Like we are improving and we are just running the YouTube channel as well. So it can be also part of our career. And yeah, we are also improving our English.
Yeah.
So how's the weather in your place right now?
Okay, the weather is quite good. Temperature is around 35 degrees Celsius.
It's
Yeah,
winter season
this is,
there.
yeah, it is winter. In evening, uh, we wear winter clothes, but right now the sun is rising and temperature is quite good. That's why, yeah, it is good.
So which season you like most?
I like winter.
Okay. Any reason?
Yeah, because in winter I usually going morning work in morning. Yeah, I feel good because the weather is very cold on that time, and I love to walk on that weather. And in night, it is very good to sleep. That's why I love.
Yeah, but in my case, I love summer because in summer, like days is long and night is short, so we have lot of time to do lot of things. And also, we like in winter we have something required like sweater, jacket, something like that. So I don't feel comfortable. And in rainy season also we have to wear umbrella and raincoat, something like that. So I don't really like those seasons. So I like summer only.
Okay. But in case of mine, I love to wear sweaters. That's why.
Oh, that's great. I don't feel comfortable. It looks like we have something burden on our body.
Okay, it's totally our own choice. Like,
Yes, yes.
so what is the specialty of Madhya Pradesh or Bhopal? Why is the Bhopal is famous for?
Okay, so Bhopal is basically famous for Lake City. We call as City of Lakes. So and here so many lakes are like natural and artificial lakes are there. So you can visit there, and we have so many different historical places as well. You must have heard about Sanchi, Bhimbetka. So these are the places here also, and we have some museum, different malls. So if anyone comes here, so they can visit here.
Okay. So, do you know any cricketer who is from Madhya Pradesh?
No, I am not fond of cricket. So I don't.
Okay. Yeah, how long have you been in the job, in your job?
Yeah, I have been working for 4 years.
Oh, you're 4 years. By office or by work from home?
Yeah, so in the starting it was work from office, but during the COVID we got this opportunity, and now it is continuously work from home only.
Okay, so what is the designation in your office?
Designation. I'm a security consultant here.
Okay, you are a security. Oh, because right now I am not able to earn a 100 rupees because
Yes, I can understand because that time when I was not doing any job, so it was feel like that. Yeah, why we are not earning? And yeah, now I'm in job, so we always think like that we are not satisfied with our job and with our salary. So how much salary you are getting, so it is not sufficient for you because your living
yeah,
standard is changes when you start earning. So you feel like that you should get more and more salary so you can live better life.
yeah. My aim is just want to be a successful YouTuber, then I can earn so many money.
Yes, you can. Yeah, it will
Yeah,
take time. everyone's journey is different here, and we have lot of competition also. I have seen when I started this journey, I was really not aware that so many people are doing these things already. And
Yeah,
yes, and they are already doing this kind of thing, so we have competition. We have to do something different, or we have to do hard work, then only we can achieve as soon as possible.
yeah, but I'm not believing in the competition. I just want to become a better version of myself. I
Hmm.
want to become a unique person. Then I will be succeed in my life. My thought process is like that.
Yes, but
Okay.
for example, in on the same subject, you are also doing these things, and some other people are also doing these things. So you will think like their channel is growing because they are doing something great. So I have to also do something great to do this thing. So you will definitely think about it.
Yeah, but I will also think about how we can collaborate and we can grow by both.
Yes, yes.
We can,
No, have you ever planned to visit any international?
yeah, yeah, I have planned to visit like at first after my graduation, I want to go France,
Okay.
but
Listen.
yeah, to go abroad for studies, you have
Hmm.
to qualify the IELTS test.
Yes, yes.
On that case, I'm not able to speak English fluently on that time.
Hmm.
Nowadays also, so it is difficult for me to qualify to crack the IELTS test. Okay, so that dream is now not coming true. But in future, I will go like Dubai, France, and I want to go England to watch that museum where our lots of Indian uh, things is there in England. They are just getting our things and just put in that museums. I want to go and watch such things. Yeah, this is all about.
Okay, that's great. So, if you will get a chance to settle down there, so you would like,
No, no. I want to settle here in my home in
hmm,
India because in India you will get diversification. If you go abroad, there is not you will not get diversification. They are only similar persons. If you come here in India, you will get so many peoples like so many people who are from different kinds of states, countries, even from people who are from abroad. They are also coming here and staying here, and they are starting their journey in India. Like so many people, like yeah, in India, so many actors also coming here and starting their journey. If you talk about Katrina Kaif,
yes, yes.
yeah, she is also coming here and marries a guy who is also from India and
Yes,
staying here. So it is good for me to stay here. I have no any plan to go abroad and staying there.
yes. You want to do the trip, but you don't want to settle down, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, same
Because
thinking. Like I also think the same thing.
yeah, lots of people are going abroad for earning money,
Hmm.
and because of that they are staying there, not for other things. They are just staying there for money.
Yes, right. So we
Yeah,
people think like that there is lot of opportunity and they can earn more. So definitely they want to go there. And once they start their journey, earning there, so they just feel like that yeah we should settle down here. So it happens. But I also don't want that I have to settle down there. But I want to do the trip, international trip, whenever I get chance.
so where do you want to visit?
Where I want to visit. Yes, so I want to visit New York and Switzerland.
Okay. What about the Thailand? Do you want to visit Thailand?
Yes, if I'll get the chance, definitely I would go. But firstly, if anyone tells me like where you want to go, so these two places comes in my mind.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, New York is also a good place to visit. Okay. So yeah, this is all about your. What about your future plan? Do you have any future plan, or you are happy with your job?
No, I have to grow more in my field itself. I have to gain more skills so that I can reach on a certain designation where I want to see myself. And yeah, I'm also running YouTube, so I should become like successful in that field also. Okay, I think we can bind up. So okay, thank you so much for having this session with me. And yeah, it was nice conversation with you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I have learned a lot from this conversation. Okay, thank
Yeah,
you for having me.
thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.